Thank you for giving me opportunity to present my article on staff development in nursing. In the era of advanced healthcare, concept of life learning are critical to manage risk and utilize the evidence-based practices. The best nursing practices are evident of quality healthcare throughout the continuum. It is essential for clinical nurses to incorporate continued education of staff development program for the nursing professional development. There is tendency to utilize lengthy static manual for clinical practices in India. This article will create proposal for maintaining utilization system for environmental for clinical nurses. Staff development, the process directed towards the personal and professional growth of nurses and other healthcare professionals. In 1994, the American Nursing Association defined nursing professional development as the lifelong process, active participation in learning activity to enhance professional practices. The professional development and continued education of nursing staff can met by various methods. Formal method of education includes continuing education provided by the hospital academic education, education of the nursing staff in various nursing projects. Informal method of nursing staff development comprise of self-directive learning, professional reading and participation in educational seminar and conferences. Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital Nursing Administrative Management believe that the best way enhance nursing knowledge, proficiency to identify the level of education, experience, knowledge, then enhance the patient-centered acknowledgement throughout the continuing service education. There were need identified the needs, accurate staff education program in essential support of knowledge and professional development in nursing. It is observed that nursing staff practices in a monotonous way and only task oriented. The nursing staff often verbalize the need of training and education to provide the best practices and better patient outcome. The staffs of Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital values are respect, responsibility, accountability, development, challenge, and sense of achievement. Nanavati Hospital underlying objectives or principle for the staffs are: nurses should have leadership qualities, nurses to provide high quality and effective care, nurses should have update knowledge throughout on-the-job training, recognizing the nursing talent as being good communicator, skillful and innovative, exhibit required skill in problem solving and decision making, required skill and delegation. Objectives as follows: patient center, improve continuity of care, streamline how patient provide personal information and medical history, improve patient satisfaction. Clinical center objective: assess patient information where and when is needed, facilitate communication among providers across healthcare location, monitor and analyze patient data for better decision making. Administrative center objectives: to improve organization agility based on share operational information, comply with privacy and security protocol, increase operational efficiency by integrated information system. Other objectives as follows: basic nursing education practices, continue education, experience education, other real life, in-service experience education, extra-mural education, socio-economic counseling, manpower career, planning performance, evaluation, employee Employer relation. Staff development program within a healthcare agency will provide a framework as follows. Socioeconomic, manpower planning, recruitment, selection, placement, counseling, performance evaluation, career planning, promotion, employer relation, personal politics and health services, labor relations. Other objectives as follows: experience nursing practices, direct patient care, approach and independent patient care assignment for the team approach, indirect patient care, supervision, administration, teaching and research, other real life experience, colleagues interaction, voluntary activity to healthcare, professional association and participations of personal life. Education objectives after graduate of basic education, in service education, orientation, skill and knowledge to nursing practices within the healthcare team, extramural education, continuing education. Role of managers include that apply adult learning principle when helping the employee learns new skill or information. Coaches employee readily regarding knowledge and skill deficits. Actively seek out teaching opportunity. Use teaching techniques that manpower staffs and sensitive to learning deficit and staff creativity to minimize this deficit. Frequently assess the learning needs of units. There are certain types of staff development. As per Cooper, continuing education is all the learning activity that occur after the individual has completed his basic education. Learning needs to ensure safe and effective nursing to meet needs of society, retain nursing knowledge and prepare them for specialization for career advancements for new professional role, alter as society change, developing wise leadership competent practices to adequate specialized skills to provide variety of CNE, high quality and service changes. There are certain type of continued education. Philosophy can attend throughout the achievement of the goals. Recruitment of efficient quality and continue of nursing staff to meet world-class standard. Orientation of the philosophy of goals of Nanavati Super Specialty Hospital of employees. The nursing staff should get oriented to organizational structure, general physical layout of the hospital. The nurses should get oriented to nursing system practices, policy and protocol in the organization. The nurses get the job trained to be knowledge about the current trends and practices. Evaluation performance of the staff nurses, regular performance appraisal. There are processes defined as shows in the slides. Interview, staff recruitment, orientation program, induction program, staff development program, in-service education, performance appraisal. Staff rejoining process shows age bar. Only female can attend this interviews. Complete professional course supposed to be prior days. Scoring should be 50% mark should be achieved. That Indian Nursing Council and MNC registration as well as experience. The knowledge level of language shows Hindi, Marathi, English languages is compulsory. Procedures follows as shows in the computer. Check out the resume. Assess for the qualification. If people are not selected, that rejected of the resume. Spoke on the phone, qualified for the nurses, arrange interview for the qualified nurses on monthly basis. Total applied for the collected, total resume applications collected 170, sorry. The candidate called for the interview 150, as bar chart showing the applicant selected 150 and rejected applicant is 20. The process for interview: telephonic interview, written test, oral test, line manager's interview, chief nursing officer interview, then HR interview. As slide diagram shows that candidates selected through telephonic interview selected 136 as rejected 14. In written test, candidates were called for interview 150, 81 for written test and other for 23, as graph shows. For oral interview, as process shown and discussed previously, the selected candidate were 49 and rejected were 37. Application reason not to attend the interview shows graph. There were lots that people are some of them not interested and some of that not graduate as per the required qualification, as bar graph shows. Staff recruitment, as a process follows like this: orientation program. The staff were oriented to the hospital environment and policy. They were oriented to physical layout of the hospital. They were introduced to ward in charges for everyone or any special area. Then in-service education program is the continued process that based on responsible for that responsibilities lies on coordinator. That planning will be weekly and monthly basis. Staff development weekly program scheduled monthly as well as weekly. The graph shows that the number of staff as covered. The key area, the class were done for them, that pressure monitor, BLS, guidelines for the safe and blood transfusion, biomedical waste management, pressure area management, risk management, safe medication administration, communication, pre-operative and post-operative, diabetic foot care, ventilator care, demonstration of defibrillator and VAC therapy. Then slide shows that risk management, DLS and therapeutic communication and guideline for blood transfusion. That difference you can see in the slide. That after assessment we have achieved the results. Out of 37 staff nurses, they got 85%. Out of 30, 19 staff they were got 70 to 84%, and out of 30, 3 were 50 to 69%, and 1 staff failed out of 30, as bar graph shows. Conclusion: the staff development play a vital role to achieve the orientation. It is very important to assess strength and weakness of the staff presenters. Its take introduce consideration, observation and assessment outcome and regular update of the nursing staff as per the advancement in technology. The smooth functioning of the hospital lies in skills, knowledge, nursing professional and hospital. The staff development plays vital role in the smooth and successful functioning of the hospital. Nanavati Super Specialty Hospital always focus improving and working capability of staff nurses, thus contribute towards better nursing care. This is the one most important factor, help the hospital be always among the best hospital in the best quality care. The future plan. Besides being a leader of therapeutic services, the hospital has recent large medical postgraduate program with over 70 seats. Nanavati Super Specialty Hospital aims to create well-trained, ethical, skilled leaders dedicated to passion of healing that will empower the future of nursing. It is essential for healthcare organization to achieve the professional excellence and deliver quality excellence in care while pursuing the here throughout the research and education as well as achieve the national and global standard of healthcare. The staff development play a vital role in smooth and successful functioning of the hospital. Reference as shows are taken from all this area as well as the site of Nanavati Hospital was working. Thank you very much for your patience.